welcome back to Kala Poshana for another easy DIY that you can make at home. In today's video, I'm gonna make this beautiful wall decor that is wall safe and it's made out of paper and it looks very expensive. Use this decor for any festive occasion at home like Diwali, Christmas, and it would look beautiful on your walls. This decor is multi-purpose. You can use it on the walls, or you can use it for the windows, or you can simply decorate it like hanging decor, or use it to decorate your puja mandir. These are beautiful and you can easily store them. To make this lotus flower, I have provided the pattern. You can simply get the cutouts of that pattern and create this beautiful decor in less than 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now, without any delay, let's get started on how to make this beautiful home decor. To make this decor, we will need gold cardstock paper, pencil, scissors, and paper glue stick, painted tape or masking tape, LED tea light candles, and some gold tape. As I mentioned earlier, it's a very easy home decor that you can easily make at home. To make it easy, here is what I did. I actually created a digital printout of the floral petals that I created so that you can easily download, trace it on the golden paper and create the floral decoration within 5 minutes. I drew the floral pattern on a piece of paper. Basically, I created the size of the petals that I need and what would be the width and size, and created this one. Later traced it on a piece of paper so that I took a picture and converted it into a digital printout. So you can easily download it. I have provided the downloadable link in the description. Please do check out. When you print the file, make sure you are printing it on a A4 size paper, and then it would be coming up in this size. So this is the same size that I created as part of my initial creation of the pattern. Make sure you are printing the digital file on A4 size paper. Cut the digital pattern. When I converted it into digital pattern, it was showing lines like here as well. Make sure you are cutting this paper till here. Now, place the paper cutout on the gold paper and trace it out using a pencil. We will get 2 paper cutouts from 1 sheet of gold cardstock paper. Hold the paper like this and start tracing. This is how the paper would look after tracing the flowers. Now, using the paper scissors, cut out the paper petals. Here is a tip. Make sure you are using a good scissors which is sharp. If it is not sharp enough, you can end up with rough edges. Here is a tip. To cut the corners here, just turn it around and press it towards the back. And using scissors, just cut it out. This way you don't have any rough edges showing in the front. To make the flower, here I am using 3 paper cutouts. First one will be my base. This would be the centerpiece and this would be the inside one. The first step is to fold these corners. Just make a straight line here and just fold the petal inside like this. Similarly, press slowly the petal inside. Just try to form a straight line and then just press it inside like this. Similarly, I'm gonna press the other one. The first petal that I'm going to use, I pressed it a little bit inside so that it forms like a bud shape. The second one I didn't press it that much because I want it to look like a flower petal to this bud here. So yeah. And the third one, I'm gonna just slightly press it down, not too much. So this is my third petal. Using paper glue, I'm gonna attach the first one with the second one here. Just apply some paper glue in the middle like this and attach the second petal to the first one. Make sure we have two petals here and then we are placing this petal in the center like this and then press it down. Similarly, I'm gonna attach the third one. Just make sure it's falling in between these two petals and then press it down. I'm just gonna press it down a little bit more. Here, beautiful golden lotus are ready. Super easy to make. Trust me, you can make each flower in less than 5 minutes. Just cut out the pattern, trace it, cut it out and use some paper glue and we have the floral ready. You can use this decor multiple ways. Here, I am showing you guys how you can use this decor for coming up festivals like Diwali, Christmas, basically using some tea light candles and attaching these floral decorations to the walls. You can absolutely use them to like floral decoration, you can use it on window decoration, and if you want to store them, these are super easy to store. All you have to do is press down the flower and then just store it in a small box. Whenever you need it, just press the petals down and we have the flower ready. So to attach this flower to the walls, here I am using my favorite crafting tool, painter's tape or masking tape. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this painter's tape. In the back side, I'm gonna just add the painter's tape and stick it to the wall. You should have painter's tape in your house. Here I have attached the tea light candle to the flower using painter's tape, and then in the back also I have the painter's tape. Now I'm gonna just stick it to the wall. Just gently press it down. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and got some ideas to make some beautiful DIYs at home. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in next video. I have 2 giveaways going on our channel Kala Poshana. If you haven't entered in these 2 giveaways, please do enter. You have time until October 20th. Please do check out video description for all the details about the giveaway.